RBI policy, the market is a bit jittery. But moving on, the IRDAI is mulling general insurers to offer long-term policies in motor, health and property. Sources suggest that the regulator has formed a working group to discuss the same. To understand how this proposal will impact the business, Anand Roy, the Managing Director at Star Health and Allied Insurance, joins us now. Anand, thanks for waiting by patiently. This is Sonia here. If the long-term policies were to be offered in, say, health, how will the underwriting work for this, and what's your own view on how this could pan out?
Good morning. Thanks for having me. Sonia, so this particular, in my view, this cuts both ways, doesn't it? I mean, if you look at the customer point of view, there is a long-term guaranteed product and without any rate increase. That is very, very beneficial to the customer. But if you look at it from the other side, from the insurance company side, we see that, already there are 3-year products which is available in the market. I'm talking from the health indemnity point of view, which is our core business. Long-term products will be beneficial in the sense that will definitely result in, customer retention in a better way. But underwriting, as you mentioned, may have to be a little bit more different because we will have to factor in a long period of time. There will not be possibilities of repricing the product during the tenure of the long-term contract. So there are, pluses and minuses. As you rightly said, there is a working group which is debating on this. We believe, these products long-term will be beneficial for fixed benefit type of...
According to you, sorry, apologies. Will this be, will it be a one-shot a premium for this, a lump sum premium, or will this be paid annually? What's your understanding? So, I think there will be annual payments, but fixed amounts, guaranteed payments, premiums in the long run. But without a clause for revision?
Without a choice for revision, yes.
Okay.
Sorry, no. Will the policy holder have the ability to switch to another provider?
No. So those are the areas that may be negative for the policy holder. If it is a long-term contract, they may not be able to shift to another provider if they're not happy. Medical advancements, I'm talking from the point of view of health insurance, may not get factored in the product because 10 years or 5 years is a long period of time, and science is developing very fast. So I think, those are the disadvantages. But then at the end of the day, I think the proposal is positive because it is a matter of choice. You lay everything out to the customer and let the customer decide what he or she wants. I think in that context, it's fair.
The pricing of this be at a discount? I mean, these longer term policies? Would you do that?
Traditionally, yes, long-term policies, because you're factoring in a longevity and the LTV of the customer over a period of time, there will be some discounting in that.
Okay. Now, there is already the talk of a composite license, right? We've discussed this in the past. And now there is this. I mean, there is a fair bit of potential disruption ahead of us. Would you agree with Anand? Business disruption? And how would you read it? Net positive, net negative for your business?
See, we believe that, as a business, Star Health is well placed to face all these kind of challenges which may happen. We believe that composite license, if at all it happens, again, there is no discussion at the IRDA level. This is more in the media. So we will have to see how it plays out. But I do not think that, this is going to disrupt our business model in a very big way. Probably, as I've told earlier, companies which are dependent on single distributors, large distributors, they may have some disruption. But we have a very granular distribution across the country. And we are focused on retail business. So we do not see that this is going to disrupt our business in any significant manner.
Okay, we'll leave it at that. Thanks a lot for joining in, and thanks for waiting by patiently as well. That's Star Health. By the way, the market is getting into the RBI event. It's actually, if you look at the intraday chart, it's recovered now. The Nifty, Sensex, Midcap, the Sensex and Nifty are now in absolutely flat terrain. There's a sudden pop in the last 5-10 minutes. So let's see. The RBI governor is all set to unveil the Monetary Policy Committee decision in just some time from now. On the other side of the break, we'll get you our special pre-policy coverage with a whole host of experts. Lata will take that conversation forward. Stay tuned.